So students, next question is question number 168. The electronic configuration of europium atomic number 63, gadolinium atomic number 64 and terbium atomic number 65 are. Options are given which are related to their electronic configuration. Now this question is fact based question. All the three elements europium, gadolinium and terbium, they are lanthanoids, and the correct electronic configuration of these three elements is mentioned in first option. So correct answer of this question is first option. So moving to the next question, question number 169. Which of the following statements about hydrogen is incorrect? First statement is dihydrogen does not act as a reducing agent. This statement is partially correct, partially incorrect. Hydrogen acts as reducing agent in metallurgy, but yes, this is not a very common reducing agent. Second statement is hydrogen has three isotopes of which tritium is the most common. This statement is absolutely incorrect statement. That is true, hydrogen has three isotopes, but tritium is the least common isotope. So this option, this statement is incorrect statement. Now let us see the other statement. Third option is hydrogen never acts as cation in ionic salt. That is correct statement. Whenever any ionic salt is formed, hydrogen will present as hydride ion. Fourth option is hydronium ion exists freely in solution, and that too is true. So these two options are absolutely correct. This one is absolutely incorrect, and first option dihydrogen does not act as a reducing agent. This is partially correct, partially incorrect. So in this case I am giving the second option as the answer.